Hello and welcome back to Into the Luxe. The world's wealthiest individuals command vast corporate empires that span industries as varied as technology, luxury goods, e-commerce, and finance. Their fortunes are not only a reflection of personal entrepreneurial success, but also the massive influence their companies wield over global markets. These companies shape consumer behavior, define innovation, and set the stage for the future of global commerce. By quantifying the impact and reach of these businesses, we can better understand the scale of wealth creation and its ties to powerful corporations. In this video, we explore the business empires that have helped make Jeff Bezos, Elon Musk, Bernard Arnault, Bill Gates, and Warren Buffett among the wealthiest individuals in the world. Jeff Bezos and Amazon. Jeff Bezos, once the world's richest person and still among the top ranks of billionaires, owes his fortune primarily to Amazon, the e-commerce titan he founded in 1994. Originally conceived as an online bookstore, Amazon has grown into a juggernaut in multiple sectors, including e-commerce, cloud computing, logistics, entertainment, and artificial intelligence. As of 2024, Amazon boasts a market capitalization of over $1.4 trillion, making it one of the largest companies in the world. Amazon's dominance in e-commerce is unparalleled, with the company controlling nearly 40% of the US online retail market and operating across more than 20 countries. In 2022, Amazon's revenue surpassed $513 billion, driven not only by its retail operations, but also by Amazon Web Services (AWS), the world's largest cloud computing platform. AWS contributed over $80 billion to the company's total revenue in 2022, and its cloud services dominate the industry, controlling about 32% of the global cloud infrastructure market. In addition to Amazon, Bezos has diversified his portfolio, with investments in Blue Origin, his private aerospace company focused on developing commercial space travel. Blue Origin is in fierce competition with Elon Musk's SpaceX, and it has already begun conducting suborbital flights for paying customers, laying the groundwork for a future space tourism industry. Bezos also owns the Washington Post, which he purchased for $250 million in 2013, and several other ventures through his investment firm, Bezos Expeditions. Despite stepping down as CEO in 2021, Bezos retains about 10% of Amazon's shares, cementing his status as one of the world's wealthiest individuals. Elon Musk and Tesla. Elon Musk, currently fluctuating between the number 1 and 2 positions on the list of the world's richest people, derives much of his fortune from Tesla, the electric vehicle EV manufacturer. Tesla, which has disrupted the automotive industry, is now valued at over $850 billion as of 2024. The company delivered more than 1.37 million vehicles in 2022, a record number that solidified its place as the world's leading EV producer. In 2022, Tesla generated $81.5 billion in revenue, with robust margins that far outpaced traditional automakers. Tesla's influence extends far beyond cars. Musk has positioned Tesla as a renewable energy company, offering products such as Powerwall and PowerPack battery storage systems, as well as solar roof installations. These ventures are part of Musk's broader vision of reducing the world's reliance on fossil fuels and advancing sustainable energy solutions. Beyond Tesla, Musk's other major business venture, SpaceX, has become a leader in the commercial space industry. SpaceX's valuation soared to over $150 billion in 2023, largely driven by its development of reusable rockets and its role in launching satellites for its Starlink satellite internet service. Starlink, which aims to provide internet coverage in remote areas worldwide, had over 2 million active users as of 2023. SpaceX's long-term vision under Musk's leadership is to facilitate human colonization of Mars, a goal that continues to captivate both investors and the public. Musk also has stakes in ventures like Neuralink, which focuses on brain computing interfaces, and The Boring Company, which aims to revolutionize urban transportation through tunnel-based systems. These endeavors underscore Musk's far-reaching influence across multiple high-tech industries. Bernard Arnault and LVMH. While technology tends to dominate the fortunes of the richest people, Bernard Arnault has built his empire through luxury goods. As the chairman and CEO of LVMH Moet Hennessy Louis Vuitton, Arnault controls the world's largest luxury conglomerate. LVMH's market capitalization exceeds $500 billion, making it one of the most valuable companies globally and solidifying Arnault's position as the wealthiest person in Europe, with his net worth often surpassing $200 billion. LVMH owns more than 70 brands across various sectors of the luxury market, including fashion, jewelry, cosmetics, and wines and spirits. Its flagship brand, Louis Vuitton, is the most valuable luxury brand in the world, contributing significantly to LVMH's revenue. In 2022, LVMH reported revenue of 79 billion euros, $85 billion, with Louis Vuitton alone generating around 21 billion euros, $22 billion. Other notable brands under LVMH's umbrella include Dior, Fendi, Bulgari, and Tag Heuer. Arnault's strategy of acquiring luxury brands and nurturing their exclusivity has allowed LVMH to maintain its dominance in a highly competitive market. LVMH's acquisition of Tiffany & Co. in 2021 for $15.8 billion further solidified its place as the world's leading luxury jewelry retailer. Arnault's empire has continued to grow through smart acquisitions and organic expansion, especially in emerging markets such as China, where demand for luxury goods continues to rise. Bill Gates and Microsoft. Although Bill Gates is no longer actively involved in day-to-day operations at Microsoft, the company remains a critical source of his wealth. Gates co-founded Microsoft in 1975, and his vision helped it become one of the most dominant forces in the technology industry. As of 2024, Microsoft's market capitalization is over $2.5 trillion, making it one of the world's most valuable companies. Microsoft's flagship product, the Windows operating system, still powers about 75% of all desktop computers worldwide, while its Office suite, including Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, remains a staple in both business and personal computing. Beyond its software products, Microsoft has become a major player in cloud computing with Azure, which generated over $55 billion in revenue in 2022, making it second only to Amazon Web Services in terms of global cloud market share. Microsoft's other significant ventures include its gaming division Xbox and its acquisition of major gaming companies such as Bethesda and Activision Blizzard, adding popular franchises like Call of Duty to its portfolio. Gates, who still owns about 1% of Microsoft's shares, has a personal net worth of approximately $115 billion. In addition to his involvement with Microsoft, Gates has diversified his wealth through Cascade Investment, his private investment firm, which has stakes in companies like Canadian National Railway and Deere & Company. His primary focus, however, is now on philanthropy through the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, which is the largest private charitable foundation in the world with over $50 billion in assets. Warren Buffett and Berkshire Hathaway. Warren Buffett, one of the most famous investors in history, has amassed a fortune of approximately $115 billion through his leadership of Berkshire Hathaway, a multinational conglomerate with a market capitalization of around $770 billion as of 2024. Buffett is known for his value investing approach, seeking out companies with strong fundamentals and holding them for the long term. Berkshire Hathaway owns a diverse range of businesses, including Geico, one of the largest auto insurers in the US, BNSF Railway, one of the largest freight railroads in North America, and Berkshire Hathaway Energy, which controls a significant portion of the US renewable energy market. In 2022, Berkshire Hathaway generated $302 billion in revenue across its various businesses. Berkshire Hathaway also holds substantial equity stakes in major public companies. As of 2024, Berkshire's largest investment is in Apple, with its stake valued at over $160 billion, making Berkshire one of Apple's biggest shareholders. Other notable investments include Coca-Cola, American Express, and Bank of America. Despite his immense wealth, Buffett is known for his frugality and has pledged to give away the vast majority of his fortune to charitable causes through the Giving Pledge, an initiative he co-founded with Bill Gates. This commitment to philanthropy has not only defined Buffett's legacy, but also influenced other billionaires to follow suit. These companies, some of the most valuable in the world, not only reflect the business acumen of their founders, but also the immense economic power they wield. Their global reach and financial influence continue to shape industries and markets, while their leaders look ahead to the next great challenge or opportunity.